Welcome back to Cooking with Concetta on Htown Eats. We're in the heart of Galveston on my favorite corner, 27th and Market, here at DTO, Daiquiri Timeout. I'm here with Will Wright, the Chief Creative Officer of the Galveston Historical Foundation. He's got some really cool stuff going on this weekend. Let's talk about it.
Awesome. It's the 52nd anniversary of Dickens on the Strand this weekend. It's a beloved, I'm totally biased, but it is the best festival to enjoy downtown historic Galveston. We've got street performers, we've got stages, we've got craft vendors, food vendors, special events. We're surrounded by the architecture of Galveston and enjoy being around a bunch of people and do something that you really can't do anywhere else.
I mean, that's so true. I love it.
Such a unique event.
What is your favorite part?
Well, we were talking about the bed races earlier. Those are really hard to beat. We're going to talk about this in a little bit with the Scotch eggs. We've got to have those. And honestly, it's just being in costume, being on the streets. You don't see anything with wheels. The streets are closed off. So you're just around everything that's kind of feels like you're in a movie. It's just a great way to experience Galveston.
Speaking of feeling like you're in a movie, we're here at Daiquiri Timeout with the Miracle Pop-Up. I'm so excited to showcase some of the cocktails that they're serving up. Let's check it out.
This is going to be our 8th year participating in Miracle. So we are going to make some Miracle at Daiquiri Timeout cocktails. We've got some fun festive ingredients that I know that you're going to love. This is one of our new mugs. This is the Miracle Mouse. So we're going to add some bourbon, some vanilla, orange, a little bit of strawberry, and grapefruit. Also, we couldn't make the Miracle cocktails without making the Crismopolitan. It's vodka, OJ, cranberry, delicious.
Well, thank you very much, sir.
Of course.
Y'all, head down 27th and Market, DTO Miracle. How long do you run?
We're all the way through the end of the year.
Oh, perfect. Yeah. So thank you for sharing these cocktails with me. Absolutely love them. What is your favorite thing to eat during Dickens?
I mean, I think the only thing that pairs best with these cocktails would be a Scotch egg. I think that's a must.
I think we should go make some.
Absolutely.
All right, let's go. Okay, here we are over at Macio's. Let's go ahead and make some Scotch eggs. If you've never heard of a Scotch egg, ask your mama. Okay, let's get my apron on and let's cook these. So what we have here is some Italian. Listen, I can't do anything without putting my own twist on it, right? So I've got some Italian sausage, hard-boiled eggs, Italian breadcrumbs, of course, Maceo spice breadcrumbs, and some of our Dot's chicken fry. A little bit of Dijon mustard for dipping, and an egg wash. What goes in an egg wash? Simple, egg and a little bit of milk. Whisk that up, and then you're ready to go. We're gonna take a little bit of sausage, all right? You don't want too much because you don't want it to get too thick. It'll take too long to cook, all right? So we're just gonna flatten that out like that. You're gonna take your egg and just wrap them up. This is another thing my mom always taught me. You're gonna have one hand for dry and one hand for wet. That makes doing batters a lot easier to manage. So this is my dry hand. I'm gonna go in with my wet and just move them around. Make sure all is coated in the egg wash. And then we're gonna drop them in the breadcrumbs. Back with my dry hand. And there we go. Now we're gonna go back into the egg wash. I always like to do a double coating just to make sure it's nice and fully coated. All right, we've got our fry oil to about 325, 350. All right, we're gonna take our Scotch eggs and drop them in. Because this is a small indoor fryer, I'm just gonna do about 2 at a time. I don't want to cool down my oil too much. We're gonna fry these up for about 5 to 7-ish minutes until they're a nice golden brown. So if you see any light spots, make sure they're on the bottom, see like that. You just wanna kinda keep that submerged. We want them to be a nice, pretty golden brown. Look how beautiful he is. Just perfect. We're gonna pull that guy out, set him on some paper towels to drain, and you'll dip it and take a bite. I'll do it with you. Cheers. Are you ready for Dickens? Me too. We'll see y'all this weekend in Galveston for Dickens on the Strand. All right, guys, and I'll see y'all next week on Htown Live, Cooking with Concetta on Htown Eats.